Installation precautions.
As with any system, there are some critical do's and don'ts. It is imperative that qualified installers are aware of the dangers that could arise from incorrect installation.
One of the fundamental requirements before installing the system is learning how to handle and store the pipes. It is important to keep the pipes away from UV sources like sunlight. They should be stored on a flat surface with no sharp objects underneath them. The pipes and components should be protected from mechanical damage and contaminants such as chemicals. Rautitan pipes are not UV stable throughout their entire service life. As such, Rautitan pipes should be installed in dark areas or be protected in UV stable conduit. It is also good practice to avoid constant exposure to light sources and minimise the chance of biofilm growth within the pipes. If you require any further information on installation precautions and guidelines, please refer to the Rautitan technical information. Rautitan should be kept away from sources of excessive heat, such as open flames or localised heat sources like commercial ovens. It is important to plan ahead when installing Rautitan water systems, especially during rough-in. If there will be future instances in which the fittings will come in contact with brickwork, screed, cement, plaster, bonding agents, aggressive media, and/or other materials that can cause corrosion, it is important to use a suitable protective tape to wrap and protect the compression sleeves and fittings. Ensure to use only tape that is compatible with PEX pipes, as well as PX fittings and sleeves. Contact with aggressive solvents, which can be constituents of glues, paints or oils, must be strictly avoided. Some examples of chemicals found on construction sites include liquid thread sealants, PVC primer and glue, spray paints, polyurethane expansion foam, and thread cutting oil. Do not apply those chemicals directly to pipes or PX fittings and sleeves, as they can affect the integrity of the material and lead to contamination of the drinking water. You should never reuse compression sleeves and fittings. If a fitting has to be removed, discard both the sleeve and the fitting and use new ones.